So I tried soldering to this keyboard controller from Logitech. I'm using this to convert a mechanical keyboard to wireless, but as expected there are issues. I can't solder to this circuit board. Focus. Let me show you how I burnt it off. It doesn't want to focus. But why? Like this. You can kind of see it. Basically this contact is burnt up to here. It has no thermal mass, so as soon as I touch it with the soldering iron, it just burns off. So that's a really bad idea. Luckily I still have some of it left here. I can still make a contact. So I searched and searched and found a cable. This is an old style cable from a game port, joystick port, whatever you call it, MIDI port. And this is almost exactly the same size as the contacts. The spacing is about right. There's one wire more on the cable, but it's almost perfect. So I'm going to cut off the insulation and twist them up or put solder on them. I don't know exactly what I will do, but I will arrange them in the proper order, the distance, not order, the proper distance, so the wires will be above the contacts. And then I'll use that rubber thing. Where is it? I had it here. Anyway, the keyboard's own parts. This is used to hold the rubber piece here, which presses down the wires or circuitry to the circuit board, so it will make contact. So I will just press the wires here. Hopefully there will be no shorts. And yeah, too bad I can't solder it. That's a pity. So that will be this part. And then I'm using these UTP cables without the insulation for the keyboard. Like these. So these will go directly into the holes of this plug. I don't need to solder anything. They will just go in and make fine contact. And that's a time saver. So here's the keyboard. This will probably be here. And the plug here or something. And then all the wires will go into it. Here's one. I already connected to this to all the keys. So it would go in, and let's see if it stays in. It's a bit loose, but it will make contact. I know these types of plugs, they make good contact. The contacts inside are in a tube, or how should I say. So the wire, if the wire hits at least one or two walls, it makes a connection. So yeah, I think this will work. If not, then I will solder the wires to the cable here. Cut off the plug, and yeah, that's another solution if they don't make proper contact. But that's it for now. I have a lot of work to do recreating the circuitry on this keyboard. That's how it looks now. I completed 3 of the, where's the circuit? Oh, here it is. So I completed 3 of these already. The first 3, I think, or on the other side. I think these ones, 3. So there are 20 more to go. So yeah, that's quite a lot of work, but I think the result will be worth it. Now, the other problem is that the price of wireless mechanical keyboards is coming down, so this may not make sense in the future. Right now, this Logitech keyboard costs $20, and the keyboard like 18, or if you can't find it in promotion, then a bit more. So for 40, for 60 or 80 bucks, you can already get a Bluetooth keyboard or wireless mechanical keyboard. So yeah, it's a good thing that they are getting cheaper, but my project will make less and less sense because of that. So hopefully I will finish this before I can buy a cheaper finished product.